Hi guys, so here again we have another we have the same joint PDF, but we have to find the probability that y is less than or equal to x to the power of 1/2, which we can actually say that's the probability that y is less than the square root of x. Now, let's do that again. That 4/39, which you see, is a constant, so I'm not going to type it out until the end. So we have a double interval from 0 to 3. Now, x squared plus y cubed dy dx. Because I put x 0 to 3 outside, then my dx is going to be automatically outside. Now, how do we find the inner integrals interval? I had a video that I posted earlier or before where y was greater than, but now y is less than. So, because y is less than the square root of x, that means, and y is between 0 and 1, we know that the square root of x has to be between 0 and 1, or it can be equal to 1 or 0. But because y is less than the square root of x, then the highest it can get is the square root of x, and the lowest it can get is 0. And that, I would have to actually make a picture and have you understand what is going on and all that, but we don't have time for that, so I'm trying to explain to you right now. So when you see that y is less than something, some function of x, that means that function of x is the highest you can get. And now if you get a negative number for y, then when you do the, when you get to have y be positive, then you have to switch the inequality sign, if you remember how to do that. So, but in this case, they are both positive, so square root of x is going to be the upper limit and 0 is going to be the lower bound. So let's quickly do this. So now what we're going to get, we're going to get the integral from 0 to 3 of x squared y plus y4 for 0 to square root of x dx. And that would equal to the x squared times square root of x. So that's x power of 1/2 times x. So that will be x to the power of 0 to 3, x 3/2, plus x to the power of 1/2 to the power of 4. It's going to be x squared over 4. Now, if you guys want to do that yourself again, you'll be able to see how I got the x squared and everything else. So that will be dx, because 0 will be 0 for everything. So that now we get x to the power of 3/4 or 3/2. Now we're going to integrate in respect to x. So that would be x to the power of 5/2 plus x to the power of 3 over 12. And that will be from 0 to 3. And then times 4 over 39. Now that would equal to, this is basically the part where you guys can do the rest again. Those part I'm not going to actually do because it's pretty simple. So I wanted you guys to get the idea of how to do this part, because it will be really essential. Now, I hope you guys understand this. It is not actually hard, If you understand how to do double integral, only thing is that might be hard is how to find out what to put here when you get a function as of integral. This is probably the only thing that would give you problem. But anything else is really simple once you get past that part. Actually, that's a multiplication sign. So times. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understand, and thank you for watching my video. If you like it, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. If you want more explanation, comment, and I'll do my best to give you a better explanation next time. So thank you again for watching my video, and have a great day.